Hi children, how are you all? All the third class students can open your English textbooks. Today I want to give English revision, Essay 1 revision. Okay, Essay 1 exam paper will be for 50 marks children. So for 50 marks already I expressed to you this all models, what you have to prepare. I think you are all ready to write the exam. Okay, see here, today I will explain as per the models. These are the just models I am telling you children. Take that exercise how the models will come as per that you practice it. Okay. See here, the first one is passage. Passage means you will have the general questions in that. Generally paragraph will be given. Generally one paragraph will be given. Based on that down some questions will be given. So that you have to answer it. For example, you take the worksheet. Worksheet page number 6 open. Worksheet page number 6 you can open. Page number 6. Vikram was the king ruling Magadha kingdom. He was a very good-natured man. The people were happy under his rule. Vikram was also a very brave king. He had only a small army. Yet he protected his kingdom and the people from any attacks by enemies. So this is the poem of 3 lines. So like this, passage of 3 lines. So like this, remaining paragraphs will be given, some generally from that. For example, see here, Vikram was the king ruling Magadha kingdom. Like the sentence is there. Who was the king? Who was the king to Magadha kingdom? Question. So, who? Vikram. Vikram was the king to Magadha kingdom. So, like that we can answer it. So, when you are answering, read the question carefully. Passage, you tick the answers with a pencil. Later, you pick the answer correct or not, think and write down. Okay? Next. Over. Next. Meanings. Meanings means, you know that from all the lessons we have to prepare. For example, tough. Meaning you have to write hard, tough, hard. Like that from all the lessons some meanings have come, so that you have to write. Next, opposites. Open page number 39 all of you. Open page number 39. Opposites are there na children. Absent, present. Above box also you check rana. Small, big, poor, rich, hot, cold. Absent, present, before, after, cruel, kind, fast, slow, tall, short, bad, good, enemy, friend, easy, hard, empty, full, old, new. So like this opposites will come. So these all you have to prepare. Next, plurals. Plurals means generally he gave children. We are not having any exercise in this. Simply book, books, pen, pens, leaf. End of the word F comes VES. F will be derived, VES it will become. So leaf, leaves. Okay, right? So like this some plurals will come that you have to answer it. Next, suitable verbs. Suitable verbs means what kind of exercise? Open page number 32. See here children. Here see. In the box given drinking, writing, taking, kicking, jumped, takes, hiding, ate, found. So like that some verbs given. No? So like this one box will be given. In that 5 verbs will come. Takes, kicking, hitting, writing or something. Some verbs will come. Down 5 sentences will be given. Okay na? 5 sentences will be given. So pick one verb. As per the sentence, what meaning will come? See that and that word you have to write. For example, Rani is dash milk. What the Rani is doing? Rani is dash milk. In the box, drinking is there. Rani is drinking the milk. So the drinking word you have to write in the blank. Yes. Next, page number articles. Articles page number 11 over all of you. Page number 11 take na. See here, an old man the father. So like that you are having the articles, but here and what a and the are called articles. So in the question paper you will have some sentences, not like paragraph, children. Sentences will be given. Old man, A-E-I-O-U comes before that. We have to use an. And single, I am playing with dash bat. A and the. What will come? I am playing with dash bat. I am playing with a bat. With a bat. A will come. So like that 5 sentences will be given. A and the use articles and write down that. Next, adjectives. Articles over adjectives. Adjectives, page number 47. Open page number 47, all of you. Page number 47, see Nana. See here. Up paragraphs, see. There is a big red ball on the table. There is a pretty pink frock in the shop. Next, blue, white, tall, green, red, white, big, black, small, fluffy, big, beautiful, funny, fat. So, these are all the adjectives. These are all adjectives. So, based on this, exercise will come that you have to answer it. Okay, na? Adjective means what? Which is expressing, expressing about the noun. For example, there is a tree. How is the tree? A tree ela undi. It is green and tall. It is green and tall. So, how is the tree? Green word is expressing and tall word is expressing. So, these two are adjectives. Understood, children? Yes. Next, own sentences. Own sentences means for you 2 words will be given, children. 2 words will be given. First you check the meanings for that. Meaning you check. As for that, what sentence is coming, you think and write. For example, appreciated. Appreciated means praised. My English teacher has appreciated me on my exam marks. Okay? About my exam marks. So, about your exam marks, if you get the good marks, what the teacher will do? Very good, Nana. Nicely you answered. Very good. Teacher will appreciate you. So, that is the meaning for that. So, what sentences you have to write your own, children. You try yourself, no problem. Next, rhyming words. Rhyming words means the pronunciation will be different. Page number 41, take. Spelling will be different. Pronunciation will be same. Spelling will be different. Pronunciation will be same. For example, page number 41, see. End of the poem. Noon, moon, high, sky, down, town, hollow, slow. Underline it. Away, day, go, fro, down, town, low, slow. So, what? Spelling is different. Go, fro, afar. Spelling is different. But pronunciation is common and the hearing sound is common. Okay? So, see here. Noon, moon, high, sky, down, town. Like that, sound will be the same. Okay, na? Yes. Next, see here, children. You are having the question answers. Question answers means that you know after the lessons whatever the question answers are there that you can read. Next, poem. Poem, you all the prepare children. Swing poem you can read. So from that swing poem, 4 lines give means 4 lines you have to fill up. No need to write all the poem, children. From starting line what it is there, from there to ending line what given. So those middle all 4 lines, ending line you have to write. Okay. Next, describing. Describing means thinking skills like they are giving some questions for you. For example, why he will ask some essay question like he will give, no? So think to answer. Such type of questions will be given. How do camera like that given. Next, some questions think to answer. Some questions given after the lesson. So that you can prepare. That's all for the division children. So you all prepare based on these models and all, and prepare well and write the exam well. Okay, all the best.